guys, this is Reinna, and as you can tell, I just gotten out of the shower. Today is February 2, and according to my NSO birth certificate, it was my birthday, but I was really born on February 9. So, birthday leave ako today, and I'm going to go to somewhere down the road. So, I'm going to Manila to meet my friend, and she's going to accompany me for my birthday today. And I know what you're thinking, why don't I spend time with my family for my birthday? I'm going to spend my time with them on my real birthday, so don't worry about it. But today, we're going to do my makeup and also my hair. I want to curl my hair so I could feel extra fancy and confident today. I want to feel good, I want to feel confident, I want to feel happy. So that's what we're aiming for today, and let's do this. So in this video, I'm not going to talk too much because I'm running late. I'm going to meet my friend at 10 a.m. and I don't know if she's going to be late, but I gotta prepare up fast. I'm not going to vlog my birthday because I don't want to think too much about what I'm going to film, how it's gonna look. I just want to enjoy the moment. That's why I don't do vlogs that much. So birthday, Ate May.
Hi.
Ano sasabihin mo?
Sabi mo, happy birthday, Ate May.
Happy birthday.
Di mo man nakakinis.
Kiss mo, Ate May.
Ew! Lasang spam. Kanja ba ka? Kanja ba ka? Ikaw kasama ka ito buong araw.